Mjolo Will Humble You by Ntendeni Luvhengo. Episode 2. The People Against Mjolo. Welcome back, Bazalwane. Remember how this whole thing started? One day, you were sitting under a tree, minding your own business and drinking water, as per orders from a popular Mzansi couple. When you see a figure at your gate, we were drinking water, minding our own business, when Mjolo knocked on our doors. We, the people, hereby testify against Mjolo, Your Honor. We were fooled. Mjolo was no intruder, no savage. This wasn't a home invasion. Mjolo was a whole gentleman, well-groomed and suited. Mjolo was a handsome salesman who sold us a dream, with a sleek tongue, with a bright smile. We were smitten, flattered and amused by this charming presence before us. We welcomed Mjolo into our homes. In an act of desperation, we let him stay a little bit longer. We offered Mjolo a seat at the table. We let him have his way. No requirements for him to prove himself first. That's how desperate we were. We gave Mjolo the whole chicken while we settled for the bones of his leftovers. We gave him the master bedroom, Batu, while we slept in the shed. We gave him title of man of the house, volunteered to serve him, and even changed the title deed to his name. We, the people, humble ourselves and admit that we were bamboozled. We were scammed. We were not stupid, don't laugh. We are simply human. We did all this because we are desperate for love, Your Honor. We did all this because we as a nation have a void we are trying to fill. A void we are not willing to face. We are still in denial, Your Honor. That's where Mjolo gets us. We were enjoying the trivial little things life had to offer when Mjolo led us astray. Mjolo found some of us sleeping, some of us were making the bed, brushing our teeth, taking a bath, drinking coffee, sitting down watching TV, cooking, cleaning, getting ready. You know, the simple life, man. One day turned into years, decades, centuries of generational trauma. 1 cent turned into our entire life savings. 1 seat at the table left Mjolo in charge. We gave Mjolo 1 second, 1 minute, 1 day. And before we knew it, our entire 9 lives were exhausted. Yes, we sold our children and generations following them for breadcrumbs. And yes, we are ashamed. Bazalwane, Mjolo finished you, man. Yes. Mjolo left some of you 6 feet under. Some of you moved into hospitals permanently. You live there. Mjolo is the reason some of you are homeless, Bazalwane. Some of you have lost your minds. Eish. By the time Mjolo was done with some of you, you had nothing. You lost your families, your friends, your estates, your entire inheritance. Some of you are so finished, you don't even remember your names. Let me tell you a story. I was staring at my bachelor's degree in pride when Mjolo lured me with his magic stick. Rhodes University, Bachelor of Journalism, Hayani Mudau, signed by the Vice Chancellor. For me, a whole Hayani Mudau. As unbelievable as it sounds looking at me now, Mjolo found me with dignity, Your Honor, and respect from everyone in the village. I know I'm unrecognizable, a former shadow of myself when you look at me now, but believe me, Mjolo swindled me out of every little bit of dignity I had. For me, Mjolo was the hope that one day I would find a man who loved me the way my father never did. I was human when Mjolo led me astray.